Nikki.
The typewriter's broken.
What seems to be the problem?
It's only printing little flowers, and I can't get any letters out. Oh yeah, hang on. Oh, it's so stupid. You should have got me a modern one. I can't get the numbers out. It's ridiculous. Now it's deleting everything. I just want to write 12 o'clock, and it won't let me. I don't get it, Big Brother.
Where are the numbers on the keyboard?
On the top. But it's just a flower coming out. All these flowers. There's no numbers, just flowers. It's quite good that it deletes it though. That's quite modern. Shows that it's quite modern. But I don't want that. I just want the numbers, not flowers. Are you listening?
Nikki, do you need to press another key before you press the numbers?
I've tried. It's not working. I cocked up somewhere. I was doing all right. And now it's just flowers.
Is there a caps lock key?
No, the arrow. Hang on. Oh! Thanks, I've done it. £100,000 a year. I swear I wouldn't. Even if it was just 2 days a week.
Nikki! I went like that, I said this wrong, so I went...
Yeah?
Big Brother would like to remind you that you are Big Brother's PA and you will do what you are told.